What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. Have a great weekend, everyone. If you're new to this channel, and if you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So have you seen my tweet today? If you are not a member of our VIP group, I have posted one chart today on my Twitter account. Storage short entry point with proper stop loss and targets. And I'm going to show you some of the updates with our charts that were discussed previously in our stream. All right, let's dive right in. Oh, that's Discord, right? Crypto bubble. All right. So crypto bubble here we have Quant up by 1.4% today. This was also shared today, but unfortunately there's no futures. So this was listed on my futures tab charts, but unfortunately this doesn't have the futures. It's not available under futures trade in Binance. We still have some viewers that are still awake, even though I'm very late today. I was out with the family today, enjoying the weekend. I hope you're enjoying the weekend too. We have Mauricio, welcome to the stream. We have also Muhammad Zaid, hello Chill, love you too, brother. We have also Easy D, what's up guys? Our avid viewers here. Shazio Amio, hi Chill, can you check Jasmine chart please? All right, let's check Jasmine today. Just remind me, just in case I will forget by the end of the show. So we have also Ethereum proof of work here. Leo, what's Leo? HNT. We have also MV. I'm not familiar with this cryptos here. We have also EGLD and XRP. Those are the bubbles that are popping out today. Chilling. Weekend is a chill day and family day. Hello from Lucas. Also we have MD Humayun Kabir. Love you, brother. Love you too, guys. I hope you're all doing great today. Extreme fear level at 24. Fear and greed index. So we are waiting. If you have been watching the stream, we are waiting for the possible bottom price at level 10 here. Possible bottom for Bitcoin when extreme fear hit 10. All right, so let's check also the amount of long and short ratio here. XRP request from Mauricio. Let's update the chart. I'm gonna make this fast, quick and precise stream today. So we have here a long and short ratio in the past 5 minutes almost divided, guys, because our chart is just hovering on the same level for almost 3 days now. No movement. We have a little bit of movement to the downside, but overall we are just hovering on the same level. I still have most of my trades, Bitcoin, Ethereum, still open, still there, hovering, very small movement. I think our amount of liquidation today also have significantly dropped. I haven't checked the chart yet, but let's check today. I'm betting it has significantly dropped because of the amount of movement, or the volatility in the market is very small today. Let's check also the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, mostly equal, guys. The amount of liquidation here, oh my goodness, you see that? This 4 hour time frame is around million always, guys, million. But right now this is just 537, or the amount of liquidation, 56.4% shorts has been liquidated, and the total amount of that is just around $696,000. This is very thin amount of liquidation here. Let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. This usually here is around $100 million, 100 to 140 million dollar. But right now, look at this data here. The amount of liquidation the past 24 hours, 53.84% long. So means that almost equal, guys, divided sentiments in the market, almost equal. Mostly don't know where the market is heading next. All right, so the amount of liquidation here is very, very small and very, very thin volume. Let's check later on the amount of volume in most of the exchanges. So we have 53.84% long, but only $7.19 million. This is very, very small, guys. Some of the news here, I forgot, it's Saturday today, and we don't have actually an update here from Cointelegraph and in most of the news channel. Here, we have here, what is a bull flag? Not really important. We'll discuss it in some other part of our stream. Is Bitcoin inflation hedge? All right, so let's proceed here with CoinMarketCal, guys. We have some events, upcoming events here, and watch out. MEXC Global, guys, MEXC Global. You see this one here, one of the event. This is the type of trade that we are going to do in the next bull market. But right now, I'm going to give you a quick view on how are we going to do it in the next bull market. How are we going to turn easy 1x to 10x trade in just a single day or within just a week. All we have to do is just to watch out for the upcoming coins, join ICOs and IDO, of course, manage your risk always. Before we discuss that, just a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, so we have also EZD watching you on the big screen. Wow, if you can screenshot and send it into our VIP Discord, I think you're part of the VIP, or if not, just tag me on Twitter or send it in our Telegram group. We have also Mauricio, XRP and ETH. All right, let's check that one as well. We have also Jerome Kilaton. Hi, Dr. Chill. Welcome to the stream, bro. We missed you here. We have also Maita Martina, still awake. 11 p.m. my time. Hi, Chill. Do you trade XAU USD now? All right. So here's one, guys. Example of how you can turn this micro caps. You can flip this easily, guys. So this is one. So you can find most of the upcoming events here, and this is one example here. Listing of WALV. I'm not really familiar with WALV, but just giving you a broad idea on how to trade on or how you can flip this micro caps into easy 5x 10x in the future next bull run, or you can also do it in the bear market, but it's very high risk during the bear market because most of the micro caps will not even survive the bear market. That is why it's always safer to do this in the next bull run, because even the micro caps will pump during the bull run. So just an idea on how to do this. So you check the future listing of the token or projects or coins here in CoinMarketCal, and for example this WALV here. I'm gonna show you why is it important to have or to download MEXC Global. By the way, just a full disclosure, MEXC Global is one of our sponsors here in Chill Trader. So you can see on the upper right corner of the screen, we have our partners BITGET and our affiliates. We have BITGET, BINGX, GATEIO, KUCOIN, BTCEX, and MEXC Global. So for MEXC Global, this is one good example, guys, why you need to have MEXC Global account, because most of the 10x 100x gems can be found, and most of the micro caps is listed first in MEXC Global before they even get listed in Binance or even some of the bigger exchanges. So here is one example, guys. So listing today of WALV in MEXC Global, and here's the price here, almost 100%, guys, from 0.05 100% up to 0.1. So that's 100% move from the listing date here. So here's the price of WALV from CoinMarketCap. So what you can do is you find this. I'm gonna share with you in our next stream on how to search these listings and how to search cryptos with high potential. So for example, this one, I'm just gonna show you the possible ROI that you can get by just waiting for the listing dates of this micro cap. So this original has been trading. This has been launched October 1st. And this has been listed in CoinMarketCap October 1st. And you can actually get this under Binance Smart Chain. Of course, not a financial advice. I'm just giving you a rough, broad idea on how to do this. So if you know how to purchase crypto in Trust Wallet or in using dApps, so all you have to do is just to copy this token address, and you can actually buy the token ahead of time before they even get listed in MEXC Global. So what you can do is you can buy the tokens or cryptos ahead of time, and then when you see that there will be listing in MEXC Global, so you have already accumulated ahead of time, you got it at 0.6 dollar here at around this area here, right? So transfer it to your MEXC Global account, because you can actually transfer tokens and cryptos before they even went on live, on MEXC Global. You can already transfer your cryptos and tokens ahead of time. So you buy it at 0.6, transfer it into MEXC Global account, and then during the listing, you can just wait for the price to pump and sell it. So here, most of the tokens that was bought before even the listing here, they just sell when the listing time arrives here. So as what you can see, from October 1st, from 0.6, it has already pumped by almost 100% here. October 8th was the listing date. So this was here. You can already acquire this token from Trust Wallet or from the dApps early ahead of time, and then before the listing date, transfer it to MEXC Global, and during the listing date you can actually sell it. So sell the news. That is one strategy, guys. And if you want to download MEXC Global, just click on the link on the description down below. I'm gonna share with you some cryptos, micro caps near the bull run, because right now it's very, very high risk to do it. I'm gonna show you one video on how I'm going to do it, or even will do it live during the next bull run. This was my previous strategy in the previous bull run. I've done it 5 times. By the end of the bull run, I've turned easy 10x, guys. I'm gonna share with you those cryptos. Cannot discuss it right now because we don't have enough time, but I'm gonna make one specific video on how to do it. I'm gonna share it also in the VIP Discord when the time is right. All right, so let's proceed with some of the charts that I've shared on my Twitter account. So here today I have actually shared storage short entry point. So this was already the update, guys, but this was the original post here when storage was just hovering or was just approaching our short entry point here. This was posted ahead of time. So the price was just hovering at around 0.48 0.73, posted October 8 today, 1:33 p.m. my time. So we have a short entry point at around 0.4894 up to 0.4959. Stop loss just a little bit above here, 0.5043. So that was the trade setup. I'm gonna post free trade setup every Saturday on my Twitter account. So if you don't have, if you're not a member of the VIP, I'm gonna post free trade setups every Saturday or every weekend on my Twitter account. And this was the same chart that was shared in our VIP Discord. So let me just open our Discord here so I can show you around. All right, so let's proceed, guys. This was the original post, and this was the chart update today. So this short entry point was hit, and white lines will be the TP points. So I think I've mentioned it here. Here in my previous post, take profit area, white line. So the price was just approaching our short entry point. White lines will be the TP points, and here's the update, guys. Here's the update. So TP1 and TP2 was hit. We have also our Fibonacci retracement level here. Yellow lines will be the possible target for the correction and possible bounce back up if this will be a continuation of trend. So this will be the target for the correction, 38.2, 50, and up to 61.8 level. Fibonacci retracement level will be the target for the correction before it continues, it trends to the upside. So we are taking advantage of this retracement. All right, so here's also the result, guys, 138%. And I have closed the trade today. Let me also open our Telegram. I have shared this call as well in our Telegram group. So here is the trade update in our Discord channel, Discord VIP group. I'm in the VIP. Oh, all right. So also, Lucas, do you only trade instruments you're familiar with, or anything that you can form a setup with? Today, or this past few weeks, I'm mostly looking on the high risk trades because Bitcoin and Ethereum is not moving. They are just on the same level. So mostly I'm sharing charts that are safer. So we have here high risk trades. We have also futures trade and futures trade setup. So in under futures trade setups, I mostly share charts here that are safer, or Ethereum, Bitcoin mostly. And in our futures trade, these are the calls or the signal type calls. And under the high risk, we have also shared signal here. This is the channel where the other members are sharing their signal as well in the group. And a lot of good calls are being shared here because most of our members are, all right, we'll not mention that. So here, high risk trades includes most of the micro caps like Sorge. We have also Ruin MTL, DYDX. We have also Audio. So high risk trades. These are the volatile micro caps cryptos that I'm sharing here, mostly above 1 to 2% RNR. So in our futures trade, mostly 1 to 2% risk. So we'll limit our risk from 1 to 2%. But in high risk trades, we have also some of the charts that has the wicks. So it increases also the risk to reward ratio. So high risk trades are mostly micro caps, and right now there's no movement for Ethereum, Bitcoin, so I'm sharing mostly high risk trades in the past few days. So one of them is Storage that was shared today, and here's the trade update, guys. So I have entered the trade here. Here's the first chart. I've entered the trade update 40%, and someone asked, bro, it's pumping, very high risk. Which one? Storage. I guess you close. Nothing goes up without a correction. I'm not closing. I'm following the trade setup. So here's the update. We have also KNC update here. Storage at 63%. One from Lesnaco, 51. 0.88%. Congratulations, by the way, to all the VIPs who have entered the trade today for storage. 80% here, set 92%. Took another short entry here. I think he taken the profit early. 138% and 153%. And also we have some of the top gainers here who have entered the trade. Let me check if they have shared their cards here. The Discord's very slow. Hey, chill. By the way, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you like contents like this. So we have also here XRP, and I cannot show you, I think, the conversation here. But we have here some of the trades, storage from Prince, our high-risk trader. All right, so here are some of the result. He closed the trade at 90%, $29 profit. And also we have here Lesnaco, same. All right, so those are some of the trade setups that was shared in our in my Twitter account. And also there's a promotion, guys, just a very quick ad here from BINGX. Register and refer your friends and get a chance to win $1,000 trading bonus. So all you have to do is just to register using my referral link in the description down below, and you can get a chance to you can get a mystery box and a chance to win up to 1,000 USD trading bonus. All right, so let's proceed. DXDY, this was discussed yesterday. Let's check the update today. This is supposed to be the Fibonacci retracement level. If this will get rejected at around 61.8, then possible correction up to the support trend line here, and a possible pump for Bitcoin and Ethereum if this is going to happen. But what about if the deposit feature is not activated? Good tip. Good tip. I bought a couple before when MEXC was the next name, but most of them put the shit on coin. But a good tip. I'm gonna show you the strategy, a very good strategy, how to escape this kind of trap, because you don't want, I'm not gonna share it right now, but I'm gonna make a specific video for that. All right, so let's proceed. S&P 500, no market movement today because it's Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. So no update for S&P 500, and for most of our traditional stock market is closed today. We have also QNT here. Unfortunately, I've shared this chart in the VIP and didn't realize that this is not available in futures. So if you're holding your QNT spot, you might as well have the chance to sell near the resistance here and just rebuy it near the support or near this white line or the support trend line. Not a financial advice, of course. So we have also, what else? Watch out for HNT, guys. We have our support trend line. Considering the candle wicks here, this could be a possible good bounce, but also 50-50. Look at that stochastic RSI in the oversold area. 1 hour time frame. Let's check. In the 1 hour time frame, this is approaching the overbought area, and looks like we have downtrend. Right, up, down. All right, so this is hovering right now in the support. I think we can try to gamble here. Let's check the risk to reward ratio very quick from this level. 1%. Let's try. Can enter long position right now. Not a financial advice, of course. HNT, gonna enter small amount because the risk is 1%. So current level, I'm gonna enter long position right now, isolated. Make sure, just all right, 1 sec. Where is that? Right, so stop loss just a little bit below this candle wick. Let's change this to red. 4.55. Stop loss 4.55, and take profit zone. Let's consider this first one here. This one, resistance. Let's check how many percent. Already pumping. Very small. But let's check how many percent. Wow, that's a red candle right there. 1%, right? So let's check. 0. Overall, let's check here. Up to this one. Right. So TP1, 2, and 3 are the white lines. So risk to reward ratio, very small, 1% versus 4. Up to here. If this is going to retest, this will be our moonshot here. The 200-day moving average. This will be our moonshot. By the way, guys, most of the charts that are discussed here in our YouTube channel is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. So if you want to, well, let's try move it a little bit here. Maximum stop loss. We have 2 stop loss. We'll put 2 stop loss. 1.7 and 3.47. Let's consider this wicks here. All right. So just manage your risk depending on your risk appetite. But for me, I'm gonna set it a little bit down, lower here, a little bit lower. So I'll make it 4.4, and 4.4. Oh, that's too much, I think. This is high risk. 4.52. All right, that's okay. That's acceptable. I can accept that risk. All right, so that's one, guys. Let me just fix this one here. Make sure I have my stop loss set. MKR is pumping. But what about if the deposit feature is not activated? Deposit feature, for example, for the MEXC Global, they will announce the time for the deposit, but you can actually acquire it early. So if you acquire the coin at around 0.6 earlier here, so all you have to do, the value of the token that you have purchased will not change. So usually it takes 24 hours. They will have 24 hours ahead of time to activate the deposit, and then once the token went on live, or the crypto or the token went on live, then that's the time you can sell. But usually it takes 24 hours for the deposit feature to be available. So you have 24 hours to deposit before it will go on live. So for HNT, guys, this is hovering right now on the support trend line. We're taking high risk trades here, considering all these wicks. This is right now hovering on a support trend line. So I'm taking around this percentage here. I'm setting my stop loss at around 0.52 area. I'm just this is too much for me. All right, so I'll just set my stop loss here, and possible target moonshot will be near this 200-day moving average. All right, so this is higher lows, one higher low. Third touch, this makes the support trend line valid. In order for the support trend line or the resistance trend line to be valid, it's the price should touch the trend line 3 times. So this makes this support trend line valid. So that's for HNT. Let's check some of the chart requests before we end the stream. XRP, I think, one of the chart request. So for XRP, as discussed previously, this was our previous long entry point here. No short position at this area, because that's what I've said, this will be the next target here, just in case it will break out. You see, we have a bull flag here, and this will be our bull flag breakout target. But of course, we need to consider that we have also a zone resistance here. So be careful in shorting XRP right now, because we have also some good news coming from the Securities and Exchange Commission about the case of XRP. And also, looking at the chart, this is already trading above this 200-day moving average in the daily time frame, and looks like breaking out from the resistance here. So we are right now on this level. Let me clean the chart a little bit and let me update. Maybe we can actually have some short opportunity here. One sec. All right. So this was our previous long, right? Breakout resistance here up to this point, So that is why we have this price action here, because we have some candle wicks up to this level. So possible retest of support here. Right now, it looks like we have a possible double bottom formation and a bear flag as well here. So it's still very high risk to trade XRP as of the current levels here. If you want to short it, you need to consider this candle wick as well, because right now this is already in the resistance level here, but it's very high risk because we have our 200-day moving average acting as support, and also this could just be a breakout here, and currently we might get a pump, resistance, retest to support on this level here. This was the breakout point, W chart pattern here. So possible retest on this area, 0.5. And next target will be the zone resistance. Remain at 0.569. So for XRP, and also if this breaks down below, then we might enter short position, this level here. Daily candle closing below yellow line, possible short entry point here. All right, so I'm gonna move this one right now. This arrow, gonna move this here up to this area. 200-day moving average. I'm gonna move this as well. So let's check how many percent is that move. Almost 8% in the daily time frame. But right now, let's wait for the confirmation. I'm not going to enter any trade right now for XRP. So let me share this chart. Let me share this chart in our VIP Discord. XRP update. XRP update as per the latest stream. Right, we have also Solana. We have Sweet Man watching the stream. So I guess I'm shorting the support right now. Support or resistance? We have also MKR, Jasmine, and Solana. Jasmine, let's check Jasmine. Is it big screen? Wow, you have 65-inch. Is that 65-inch TV you have there? Wow. Let me show you guys the 65-inch TV. Where is that? Oh, not this one. Where is it? It's in the VIP, all right? So VIP section here, we have 65-inch TV. Live watching, all right? So let's move on with the next chart. Jasmine, where's Jasmine? Well, that's man. Support, bro. Good evening. It's old one. Good eye. It's so let's check Jasmine. Let's find Jasmine here. So Jasmine is still on the same level. Again, I've shared this previously. So we have two Fibonacci level here. One is using the Fibonacci extension here. So this will be the possible target here for Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement level. So just in case we get a bounce from this area, this will be the possible long entry points, guys. Possible long entry points for Jasmine will be this area, all right? These areas here. Jasmine, long, possible long entry, all right? And stop loss, you can set it just a little bit below. So maximum, this can go up to this 61.8 level, guys, all right? So let's check how many percent is this. Almost 16% move from the current levels. So I'm just using the Fibonacci retracement based on the charts here. So let's try it again here from this point. So same, this is almost the same. This is almost the same. So possible long entry point here. Let's check actually the risk to reward ratio. We're going to long here. This is very high risk. For me, I'm not going to enter this trade right now. This is already trading below. This was the previous support actually for Jasmine. You see, we have candle wicks here, bounce, candle wick, bounce, candle wick, bounce, and we got a break of support here. So this is actually looking very bearish for me, but we might get a possible, we haven't seen a retest of previous support turned into a resistance yet for Jasmine. But if you want to enter high risk, guys, high risk trade, these are the possible entry points for long. All right, so these yellow lines here, huge risk, because right now if you're going to set a long position here, you can set your stop loss just a little bit below, just a little bit below here. You can also minimize your risk. If you want to limit your risk, you can set it here 0.1, 2%. But yeah, so that's for Jasmine. Possible retracement. We haven't seen a retest of support yet, so this could possibly bounce back up. If this supports or Fibonacci level will hold, then possible retest of the previous support here. Previous support, this area. This is also a huge move from the current level at around 26%. So why don't we try it? let me check if I still have some extra. These are high risk trades, guys. These are high risk trades. We're gonna take a long position at this level. I'm just gonna limit my risk to 2%. All right. Stop loss. Let me just set my stop loss. Again, these are high risk. I put a cross. 1 sec. Isolated. Make sure I'm trading using isolated position for micro caps, because these are high risk trades. If you're using cross, you'll never know. You'll get your whole account liquidated the next morning. So just make sure you limit your risk, not a financial advice always. Most of our charts here are for educational purposes only. Stop loss, let me just set my stop loss. So I'm gonna set it just a little bit below here, 0.006. I think it's good. 0.006. 0.006. How many percent is that? Around 3%. Oh, that's too much. 0.00607. 607. All right, so I think that's okay. I'm just gonna set it for 2% risk for Jasmine and take profit. I'll just set it a little bit. Just wanna 4%. I think it's okay. 4% will be easy. Let me set my target take profit 0.0064. Let me set it a little bit higher. 66. All right. All right. Our my H&T is already up by 10%, but this is still very volatile. Right, going back to the stream, guys. Again, let me block this spammer here. Report. Right. Let me just put user in timeout. Okay. Bye. How do you block this? 22 watching, only 10 likes. My goodness. Right, so I have already set a long position for Jasmine at around this area here, just minimizing my risk to 2%. Limit your risk as per your risk appetite. So that's for Jasmine. I have already deleted the spam. Best adult dating site was blocked. So Solana, we have also Shahid Khan S Fund, please. I don't know what's S Fund. 65-inch plasma. Gotta get better one. That takes, yeah, the newer TVs are already Android, and I think is already with energy saving. So let's check Solana, last chart for tonight before we end the stream. I've taken 2 high risk trades today, not a financial advice. Hopefully we can get some profit here. I'm gonna share the results with you in the VIP and on my Twitter account. So this was the for Solana. I think I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna wait for, right now this is still very high risk, guys, very high risk. 2 entry points, 2 possible entry points here. We have, let me delete this previous short entry point here. This was actually a good short entry point. Right, let me delete all of this. So for Solana, we have this support trend line, and also we have this previous resistance here. Can you see this resistance line? All right, we got some resistance previously at around this area for Solana. See this one, rejection here, and a breakout. All right, and here we get this as a support, a little bit a wick below, but this has been acting as a good support for Solana. Smaller time frame. All right, so here possible long entry point. If you want to limit the risk, let's limit the risk. Right, 2 possible long entry points for Solana. This first one will be a little bit of high risk. So here, this area, if you're excited to trade, all charts again are for educational. Long high risk entry, right? And also we have our safer long entry point here near the support. All right, safer long entry. Check price action, because usually at this point here, at this level, we might see a big red candle if there is like sell-off or capitulation, especially on this level here. So always check price action. But if you see that the price is just hovering and bouncing at around this area, so that's the time you enter a long. But if you see a big red flashing candle, then don't enter. That is why you need to check price action. So here we'll limit our stop loss just a little bit below the candle wicks. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. So long position here, stop loss at 1.63. Let's consider this one as well. All right, here. So 2.72%. Stop loss will be here for Solana, and target remains the same, guys. Target remains the same at this point. Let's consider this one here. Here, white line will be the target. White lines. I'm gonna delete this right now. So let's just consider a safer TP points here. So long entry point, stop loss here. This is high risk entry. High risk entry for long. And let's check RSI and some indicators first. MACD is still looking weak. Rejected from the zero level, near the zero level here. Let's check if this stochastic RSI will reach the oversold area. If you want to enter a safer long, then wait for the RSI to at least reach the oversold area. Let's check the smaller time frame. Also in the 1 hour time frame, this is looking very weak. We have this acting this one as a resistance here. Also possible double top here, double top. So this looks bearish as of the moment. Also this 200-day moving average acting as resistance for Solana. So why we are trading long is because we have this as previous resistance turned into a support here, and we might get a possible bounce from this area if this support continues to hold. This is the one, guys. This is this area. We might get a bounce if this continues to hold. So this possible bounce from this area up to this target here for Solana. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy your weekend, everyone, and of course don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times. Have a blast, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.